How to fix cellular update not working on iPhone. To fix this issue, guys, you have to follow simple steps. The first one is to remove your SIM card from your iPhone. That is, if your phone is using a physical SIM like the one you see here. So put in here, carefully remove your SIM card and fix your SIM card back again. This might fix this issue. If that does not fix this issue, is to first restart your iPhone. Doing so, guys, is very simple. Tap on the volume up, volume down, then tap on power button. Volume up, volume down, power button. So you have to hold this until it goes off completely and bring out the Apple logo. If you miss it out, just tap on it, volume up, volume down, power button until it goes off and bring out the Apple logo. Now, once it brings out the Apple logo, remove your hands from the phone, let the phone boot out again. Now that you've done that, this might fix the issue of cellular update not working on your iPhone. And if that does not fix this issue, then try. Go to settings button, tap on it, then go to general and tap on general, then scroll up to the base of this place until you say transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it. Once tap on it, tap on reset button, then reset all settings. Tap on reset all settings and follow the on-screen process, guys, and complete the process. This should fix your iPhone cellular update not working. So if you enjoyed this tip, you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.